Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is the update for the forge. Wanted to show how I did the my homemade bellows. I was kind of pretty ingenious in how I did it. It's not a air bag or whatever, you know, that you can just blow air into it. I figured, well, in this case, I wanted to keep some continuous heat because I want to try to bring the temperature up pretty high, and so far I've managed to do pretty good. Not hot enough to melt the silver though, but that's 1750 degrees. I'm close. I'm not that close yet. I think I need my battery a little bit stronger on my fan setup, so I wanted to show you how that's kind of going. Right now I've got my piece of steel I've been working on, my blade, in the left corner where you see the white light, right there. That's where the bellows is blowing out the air that I showed you in the previous video. And what I did instead, I'll show it to you right here. It's a lithium-ion 3.7 volt battery right there, and I made this little tunnel. The battery is a little low. It's actually spinning faster than what it's showing on the camera, but it's driving down into the pipe, into the side there, and I'm getting continuous air traveling into it. It's actually moving pretty fast. Kind of deceiving. So, a little crazy apparatus right there is working great to drive air in there. So it's kind of like forced air. And might as well bring out the blade, show you its progress. I better put this over here, out of the way. That's the shape of it so far. Right now it's freaking hot. I have to get my angle on my point down from the other side, so I'm sort of bringing it together. I can smell the heat off of that. I already took off that excess piece that was on the end of it, and I have driven my point to make it a point, as you can probably see right there. So I'm getting some progress, and I'm getting some width out of it. Concentrating on a few different areas where I need to work the metal back and forth, but I am getting a pretty good feel for how to make the metal move, and I can get so many whacks before I have to put it back in. Okay. Time to get it back in the heat. Okay, that was just a good update. I'll show you a little further later on how much further I got on there. I'm getting close to the point where I want to do a little cleaning on it. As far as the width and how its dimensions are looking, it's going to be a small but somewhat like a dagger, if not just above it being a little bit thicker than a bayonet. But the dagger sword was always that. It was just something small, but 15-inch, probably about 12 inches of blade, 3 or 4 inches of handle, depending on how it works out with the metal movement. Okay, I'll catch you on the next flip side. Next update, showing you a little more progress.